Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. Today I'm going to show you how to create a custom stickers using Canva and sell them on particular website. I'm going to use a particular website as Etsy. Whether you're a seasoned artist or just starting out, this tutorial will help you turn your designs into products people will love. So let's get started. Step 1 is designing stickers on Canva. First of all, what you need to do is go to Canva's website and log in or sign up for a free account. You can see sign up if you don't have your account yet. You can sign up and register for Canva now, or else click on login and click on continue and log into your Google account. Go ahead and select your Google account, click continue and give the authorization to Canva to log into your account. After you do so, you can see the design option over here and custom size. What you need to do is click on custom size, and the common size for the sticker is 1080 by 1080 pixels. So just go ahead and select 1080 by 1080 and click on start new design. After you do this, you should use the Canva's tools to design your stickers. What you can do is add text by clicking on the text. In the side left bar, you can choose from the fonts, you can choose your own designs, and you can also choose the color of your choice. So you can add this and you can choose your own design from here. You can increase or decrease the font size, you can change the text color. So you can see that this is for a sticker. Let's go ahead and add this over here. So this is the text I want to change the color to. So you can see that there are a lot of other texts as well from which you can choose. So if you want these type of text, you must have the pro version of it, or else you can just go ahead and use any of these. And what you can do other things is elements. Click on element to add shapes, icons and illustrations. You can search for specific items like flower, animal or coat, and you can find out that there are a lot of things from which you can add to. So let's go ahead and add a goddess thing over here. So I'm gonna add something for my sticker. If you don't find it, just go to all and let's go ahead and search for something. So the recently used are here, the AI image editors are here. Let's go ahead and search for a photo and add a photo as our image. So this is the photo I want to use. I'll just go ahead and use it. And after that, you can also see the upload option on the left panel. You can upload your images and graphic if you have, and you can remove the background. It's really optional. If you want transparent backgrounds for your stickers, click on the background and select background. Remember, it is available on Canva Pro. If you don't have Pro, you can use external tools like remove.bg to remove backgrounds and then upload the image back to Canva. The last thing you want to do is save your design. Once you're happy with the sticker design, just go ahead and click on share, which is here on the top right hand side, and click on download. You should select the PNG option because you are creating a sticker. Go ahead and click on download, wait for a while and this sticker will be downloaded. Click on open file. After the file has been downloaded, wait for a while and you can see that the sticker is ready. If you want to remove the background of it, you can do it using other websites like remove.bg and what else. Now what we are going to do is set up our Etsy shop so that we are going to sell our sticker on it. Go ahead and go to Etsy. Make sure that you do have your account. After you go there, you can see this is your interface. If you don't have your account yet, you can sign up for an account. Otherwise, you can log into your account and you will set up your Etsy. Now what you need to do is open your shop. This is the shop manager. Click on sell on Etsy, which is over this, and follow the prompts to open your shop. So go ahead and go to shop manager, and I'm already on the third option over here. Now what you need to do is write down stickers on the category. After you do so, select the digital file because this is not a physical file and this is a digital file what the people can download. So you can select who made this. You can select the time or interval of when you made this. click on save and continue after this. Now what you need to do is upload photos. So you can upload up to 10 photos and 1 video. You can choose the sticker over here. You can see the sticker title has been added. Now you can upload the photo. So this is the sticker which we just made, and this is a sticker for dancing as we have already dedicated. Go ahead and scroll a bit down and you can see your digital files over here. So you must add this as well, and the file must be between 3 to 70 containers. So let's go ahead and remove this because this file doesn't accept the special characters. So as you can see that you can edit this. Just go ahead and edit the name of it, and you can see that this is uneditable. Just go ahead and change the name. You can just go ahead and drag and drop it like this. Remove the previous name, and you can see that the description is quite necessary. Go ahead and write down the name of the description or describe the image which you are going to sell. After that, scroll a bit down and you can see the price in inventory. Go ahead and write down the price of it over here. The quantity, the variation is not there. Go ahead and click on the tags over here. So you can see there are a lot of tags. You can choose the material, you can choose the secondary color, the width of it, and you can see a unit. So there are some units over here. Go ahead and choose it, and you can scroll a bit down and you can find the stickers category already selected. Go ahead and click on save and continue after you enter all of it. Now you can click on how you get paid. Sign into your Etsy account once again. So after you sign into your account, you can select how you get paid, share your billing info, complete your security shop, and there you go. You have just created yourself a custom sticker and you are going to sell it on this shop which is called Etsy. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial helps you get started with creating and selling your own stickers on Etsy or any other sites. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or video requests, leave them on the comment section below. Happy creating, and I'll see you in the next video.